there. Okay. So now you sum up this expected values. Sum up the C column values. 3,20,000 plus 1,40,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 50,000. So you will get the total is how much? 6,90,000. Add all those values. So I am highlighting them with bold. So now apply the NPV. So you find out the NPV of project A. So what is the formula for this? NPV? So take the NPV formula, NPV of project A is equal to, so whenever we are going to find out the present value of cash inflows, then what we are going to do is total present value of cash inflows minus investment, no? Present value of investment. Here we have calculated only the expected values. So with the expected values, what is the formula to calculate NPV is I minus total expected values. Okay. So now what will be the value here? I is nothing but the initial investment. Okay. I is investment. Investment, how much it is given in the problem? See here in the problem. The investment of rupees 20 lakhs, right? So I is equal to 20 lakhs. So where given I is equal to 20 lakhs, and the total expected value is equal to 6,90,000. So now NPV is equal to NPV of project A is equal to investment is 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs minus 6,90,000. So that is equal to how much you will get? 20 lakhs minus 6 lakhs equal to 1 lakh, sorry, 13 lakhs 10,000 you are getting now. 13 lakhs 10,000. So this is rupees. Same way you calculate for project B. So in the same manner, if you calculate for project B, then you are going to recommend which project is best project. Okay. So this is how you are going to calculate the NPV, mean variance of two projects. Will you calculate that for project B? Huh? I am copying the same format. Remove these values. So let us copy the value from the problem. So cash inflows and probabilities I am copying. Then here we are having 5 years values now. 5 years values we are having. And this not 5 years, only 4 years we have. Why I got here 6-year value? Okay, it is repeated here. So remove this. Okay, 10 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 7 lakhs, and 6 lakhs. So multiply these with the probabilities, you will get the values. 10 lakhs with 0.2 will give you 20. Sorry, not 20. 2 lakhs you will get, because 1 0 you remove. One means 0.1 means it is 90,000. 90,000 and 0.6 lakhs will give you 1,80,000. Sum up all these values. The value will be how much? 7,50,000. So here for project B also we have the investment of same 20 lakhs. So I am not changing that. Here total expected value is changed here 7,50,000. So if you subtract 7,50,000 from 20 lakhs, how much the value will be remaining here? It will be 12,50,000. This is also positive value it is giving. But when you compare with the project A, the NPV of project B is less than the project A. Hence you comment on that, write the comment. So what you are going to write here in comment, project A is recommended is yielding is more return than project B. So this is how you are going to comment on the results. Okay. So this is how you are going to find out the NPV mean project.